Back to our program. And after the outlook of past weeks, there seems to be an absence of imagination in the world.
And with that statement, these people see the places they live in more bland than they did in the recent past.
Yes, an interesting story. And now we dive deeper into the strange occurrence right now.
So everyone knows?
Yeah, and ever since that rocket hit the ground, it took away all the imagination.
Luckily it didn't affect us.
Can't we just send the rocket back where it came from to restore the imagination?
Though we just need the power.
I have this energy core we can use.
Where'd you get that?
Amazon.
You bought that online?
No, the rainforest.
Yeah, let's go get that rocket. Looks like we're ready for launch.
Everything's connected.
The energy core is live once the switch is pulled.
Okay, hopefully this will work. Initiate.